Eni je kwa so ntimi kanfo mo obi biara se obetimi aba ha na media so amekasa wo so yi so number 1 nti wa wutie bibia no wo ba so pe na cheta wo da international mera mase
Okay, you are welcome back to the channel again. This is GH Kofi, the Choba blogger, broadcasting for the Boachiwa Media. And I'm Asenema Waterfalls, our Koforidia Kwano. So, Ufri, so many bar, Ubetra Edukum, Utra Edukuma. Then I think the next second tower after Edukum, no, then Asenema, Ufi Asenema, it was so echo a Koforidia. So, akwani demu sa ekọ Kofrida nti sa akọ no so enche honoma bo nsa ya tro Asenema Falls awo honom na aya meta yusu Kofrida akọ na me yese me raha ehunia ekọ so ewo ha se nti no meni tour guide ba ko ha achese obebo me na yehu dwumadi akọ so wa sene eye ya Asenema Falls we eba hanom se no meni bedi nkomo na wa chechire mu sene bia obi a wonim nia de di Asenema Falls na say de di waterfalls eba no ubetimi etie na wahu ne Yakopon etimi ye enti bro udi ndi say
ifeme da kun oben Ernest
ba cho ma nti udi no kan din kata
da kun oben Ernest
ba cho una wo ye tour guide awo na eba ne say na muhu say falls bi wa ha say
in waterfall we 1931 okueni ayefe no Emmanuel Kwame Mante ono hu Asenema Waterfalls
openya ayefe no Emmanuel Kwame Mante
ono
1931 Asenema Falls ya founded in 1931 na openyin Kwame no o Asenema ha na kroben so no fi ba o de behu
Asenema ya na ote na one ne papa ye fu na onde omo be fu tetembre no se wo kwa fu ma wo fu bebi omo ye fu ne wa nti no fifi kwa o de uniama ube yusu ebeko nti ombetumi di 2 weeks ewo fu no mansa na oma ba fie nti edu time na eso mkofie no no munya nkwe ne papa ka chense o Emmanuel ma yenye adwuma be 2 weeks 1 day bi enka ho na Emmanuel je so pene ba no muni amasa nti omo yo maje so mbe penso wo forest ni na mo pe spring water bi ana se stream bi na omunya bi na Emmanuel ya na adwese obeko akohwe ne a eye dede sa no sata na nso ato nti na no aye den
na pressure de wo enti sese asa ari kakra no
enti sese ana abafam nti Emmanuel na adwese obeko na ne papa ka chense wo dabi usa wo 10 years enze se me ma ho kwan ma nko afa ngwanu nti ma yenko fie na Emmanuel de pene to mo ko fie no na Emmanuel nko a ebae na obehu we na okọ na okọ ka papa se dada nyama hu ni o Asenema no musi ayefo no bebi a yekoye na oka che me se me ma me nko no mako akonhu se bibi se na yo na ne papa fle ni busuafo ne bi na ombeyi kwan to wanum se Asenema Waterfall in 1931
okay nti omo beyi kwan no omo anfa omo sanka force se bia omo pa ebu bi ansa na inso da fi mo ba
dabi omo hu ye na se ya nete omo anya ne hwe bebi a anum se wo hwe anum bebi a obia nso bibia mu ye ebo na egugu wan se se ya na bo egugu ne wo inside na yedoso na yeyi ebi gugu ano wanu musenti Asenema Waterfall obia nfa na sanka
obia nfa bia excavator bia meyi ebo bia nfi ase
dabi
former say we sure so obia nfa excavator bia meyi kwa say so no entre wa ase
obia nfa hwen
wow oh okay I say enti no ade ne wo Asenema kroso aya Asenema kromafo no omo eji hatum sen unse omanfo no se bibi eba okrobi so a e wo se ne omanfo no eji tum ebo a omani nji ho bi so a omani je kromafo no omo reaction towards this waterfalls et sen
omani je ho pa se Asenema Waterfall apie o mukrum ntino tambia omo wonum no mo ye free a omo to me buying groups na omo bedwale kromafo de enjo musika enti
mobile de unse miracle mania na mye
mi fi kroni wonte no minim obi a o fi kroni
okay enti uni mo obi a se bia ohoho bi ba munim ohoho bi e ba se na se ekwan no e ba akopɛ na every mo ase
ba akopɛ
na every mo ase
ba akopɛ
all right so I'm with a tour guide over here. He's taking us through the the founding of Asenema Falls. So he said this falls was founded around 1931 by Openyin Emmanuel Kwame Manse. Yeah, so they said he came to farm. Normally he's a farmer, so he's in the farm, and his son have been hearing the sound of this waterfall. So they decided to follow up and check whatever is going on here. So therefore they came up to meet this beautiful waterfalls, Asenema Waterfalls over here. So I'm continuing to have some conversation with him, knowing these waterfalls very well and know what the do's and don'ts over here. And in particular, more tabu bo ase a ho ba ha e bia ade ayi enso dem pe ana say bibisa
yo tabu ba sisia no egun first no na oba wabu ne nsan wuram na yemfa fam wanso wuram ba sisia no nse bebi awiase no kɔ no niama bebre sisante no omugu nsa ema nso no beginning of every year bia stay be ya nia obi beba anum say ya wanje ntoma no be no bibia anya no nti sisia de obia atumi konso obetumi do fam wakom obetumi awuram so obu nsa so obetumi awuram efise sisia ya de have a tourist site first no de na anum say no enye tourist site ntino na niama bebre won ma yenye ba sisia niama bebre won ma
Okay, so my tour guide is saying, I asked whether they are having some taboo, some do's or don'ts over here. And he explained to me that at first, when you are a lady and you are menstruating, you don't have to even venture this waterfall because it's a taboo for a lady who is menstruating to enter into this water. Or you can't use your slippers to bath in the water. But now, they are officially opening the place commercially for people or for a tourist site that people can visit any day, anytime, to have fun, to take pictures, to take videos. That's why we are able to enter this place today. So, bro, apart from Oba, why menstruation, taboo be any of them first?
No.
Days, say, be days are the bar.
Days are the bar, the animal say the bar, the just a question diaper.
Okay, so he's saying another taboo is that you can come here from Monday to Saturday. So if you are watching this video and you want to visit
monthly once every day
okay, so he's officially saying you can come here from Monday to Sunday. This waterfall is open to everyone who wants to come and have fun here. And you know ebia niam ban ahyenso de ben na wo ha say a ye betimi aka say ahanum eye special force a wo be fra obi say omra ha say
ahanum say waterfall niam na special ne say your dry season mu nso ntokura enwe if say your source no ye spring water and a spring water no if you bu oni mu direct top and eba nti say nso nto a rivers ebere obi anim say when it's not raining the rivers dry nti no say nso nto a rivers in area won say nso no beba fam but still ebe flow because of the spring water source no emienu spring water and a stream water nti say nso nto a nso tene a eba no emba bebele nti nefi rock no mu direct no still ebe flow nti time bia from January to December obetumi aba wo bere obehu nso we there enre.
Okay, so my tour guide is saying this particular waterfall is combined of a stream and a spring water. So it's a combination of two different types of water. So from the top, it's a combination of two different types of water. So even in the dry season or during the Harmattan, this falls still keeps flowing. There is never a day that you come here that this falls will shut or there's no water. Always there is water flowing down from here. That's what he's saying. So according to Nkrofo eba say fida mo ebi ha for obi abe drone da and I say mo recorded death record bo say pen
dabe
obi nso mahama ebi onim nso dware a wa ba mem da e wa ha
dabe so o sha un senso no enye gidigidi nti no nti obi amba am say a omprada obi ampra wa anum say da
okay
bia baha obekọ fie asomdwem anum say nso no mu enwa na abo nso eni nso no nti no obi ampra wa say da.
Okay, so I asked my tour guide whether there is ever been a death record over here before, and he's trying to say there is no death record over here. This place is a very free place to be. You have the tour guides around to be touring you in here so that there is no cause of accident. So I'm coming to ask him why the water is divided into two. Yeah, I don't really understand that one. So bro, I didn't tell you so much.
The spring water ɛna stream flow no so ɔhwɛ the near one say on your stream flow no.
You mean we are using the front camera, so on our left, from the front camera on our left, but from the back is on the right.
O share near nifa near benkum so ya ono stream water no nti ono de ono eba direct na ne efi bo no mu so epie baby a efi ba na hwa na epie nti na emu ache
no. Okay, but enye say bia oba na anani be ma
nso no de oba nso na nsansa oba
ba me share video bia na obi kire say on say answer na ye beba baby no ye research ehun say na e bia ahate me share video bia obi kire say nso no ye oba ni be ma no kra be no
enye no kra nso no ye oba ye kom wo fam ayete asese nso no ye fe no yadobia yeah yang omo kasa chepon kasa ye ka chepon ye kwa pimfon te ka chepon kasa no ye fe no anwen ye fe nso na anwen ase che se enwe
okay, so the name of the water is Arwen. Okay, so he's actually saying the reason why the water is divided into two is that one is from the stream and one is from where?
The spring.
The spring
coming out of the rock.
Okay, so inti obiafro last question I mean jawo say na bia obetimi akoye obibi. Obiafro soro ho pen akohun de ekoso.
Me ma fro soro ho pen.
Ukohun de.
Baby a nsuo no piefi no onu du on ma na be hu se ebo na nsuo no epiefi mu no onu na obehu no yie na waje di se ampa se nsuo no epiefi bo mu ansa na ne a ebe dwan ne epiefi bo no mu na ni nyina flow together no.
Okay, enti ye dem flow o fa no say I don't find na for na
your kwan wo say
that side.
Yeah, your kwan wo say
but mo advice say tourist e ba ko hwe ne ekoso
unless you are booked for hiking. Yeah.
Okay, so you wonder if you can go to the top and check whatever is going on there. He said you can book a hiking site of this story site, so you can go on the top there to watch where the water is falling from. And say hiking, ubuku I say
50 cedi.
50 cedis per person for the hiking. No, more the car never find na mo benante. And what?
And wasa.
Now, OG 50 cedis no say anka o say anka mo man motorbike anka na say e bia parachute bia anka obetimi dey afasoro.
No baby a ye dey obefa no nti na ye 50 cedis no.
Okay.
Say normal kwan normal e betimi ama obi akọ ba kwan no enye order good say nko abako nti na ye 50 cedis na ye dey wa foro e be po na ye be foro ansa na ya san.
Okay, auntie asa emu wakakra. Okay, nti no aya empanyifo beyi apa ye bi fi ha say ana say amamre be na ekoso wa bra no be say ha no mo say baby say no ye ga na amamre no enda ho kwa na wanso ni meti amamre be na ekoso wa ye meti say ye say obi nwo a oba e be gu nsa something like that no kra be na
nso no o ze Ghana ye gidi say nso bia
say to us me be say the nti a ye frɛ a say Asenema Waterfalls e bia secret bi wo ma no on kan kyerɛ
Asenema ye kronidin nti ono na ye de to nso no so se na ebe ya ebe kɔ akire na obia hu sɛ anu say na nso no Asenema na ye kronidin Asenema no asekyerɛ ne sɛ na tetembe mu na ye na nanom a mo be kyekire kro no na mo fi ebite adukrom ne apred nti omo fi honum etu fi honum ba kromu anum se ena omo be chichir ko nti na omo mo edu kom ne apred ne from se ase ho emma ena ye no Asenema.
Okay, so ase ho emma enda mo de ya Asenema. And so far people na manage ha say
Okre District Assembly.
Okre District Assembly. Enti Asenema wo Okre under the Okre District Assembly. Oh, okay, enti mo MP ni din design.
No, Honorable Nana Ado Daniel Kenneth.
Honorable Nana Ado Daniel Kenneth for the MPP, right?
Yes, MPP.
MPP. Oh, okay. And as a tour guide over here, be sincere. Input over no person can cost wa ha maya. Oh dear, you fan say what I could do MP anim. And on any case I say MP. I say me person mu yes say. E bia na MP 8 here. As a tour guide, input over no person can ɛkɔ so wɔ ase
o yɛbɛtumi yɛsiesie anom sɛ ama aha yɛ fɛ asen tourist site ni bia ɛwɔ Ghana anom sɛ wohwɛ ndua a ɛsisi ha yi a yɛbɛtumi anya canopy walk ɛwɔ anom sɛ obiara ba a ɔno nso bɛyɛ n'adwe sɛ ɔbɛkɔ akɔforo bi ɛbɛma nneɛma a ɛbɛba bɛka ho wɔ anom sɛ ama anom sɛ ayɛ attractive.
Okay, hold on. Na mention na to us. Okay, so I asked whether the things he wants to see at this Asenema Waterfalls, some improvement that he's willing to see as a tour guide, and he answered that if you could say this very place, the place is very high in height, so he's requesting for a canopy walk over here, like the Kakum National Park, a canopy walk here to be carrying people to left and right. Yeah, so we continue the conversation. Bibi Ben be on person can cause was it.
I'm say bet me develop ye ama na efe. Yo asase kese o hwe nifane benkuma yo asase kese ebetumi atele anum sem ama anum se na kese nti ebetumi asisi adan kakra ewo emu
maybe a guest house na lodge bi
bebe ewo mu sene ebe a ama anum se efe na ebia say tiles ana say pavement ana grass natural grass na ebedua na edua ama obi ahun say obi ba hanum say a on kasa say muma hanum say nya develop ba oba na hu say ya tretre niam mu e wa hanum say a benefit time bia obi ye wasase a yebetumi abiem ama ya quad biking nyina ewo nti omuti a ombetumi aye bibi afa ho ama
oh okay eno pe e bia tidiness asana ahote wa hanum say like eno no ni hwe ka wo ho
I'm say machine pen a machine say brush cutter trimmer na say slasher baako ade baako ni nyina machine baako trimmer adwuma ono na ya chem edin 3 na ekita slasher
enti mu hia saade no
hia slasher
no mo de beden
ono ye bedo anum say anum say
as a bushi kakra
enti no hia sa machine obema anum say asese na simple amai
okay nti wo hwe anum akwa say forest bi sa ni ade aya muta hia emo akese bi a snake lion tiger sa emo akese ni bi wa
anum say de abo akese bi ampie wa amai hu
na ebi ampie mba mu e ba wugidi say emo akese wa say
say forest de metumi edi say ba hu fiti time ayeba anum say yehu abo bia ohada
owo kra mu hunda
owo de obetumi hu say bush by say anum say ye dede nkofo ba anum say uhu owo by say anum enyumu jo a obetumi hu owo
e say bia nkofo ha mu hu owo wo eda nso imuda
nso ni mu yehu owo muda
oh okay I see all right bro major ama wako na obeka o last word ebia obi a oti obi a ohwe as a tour guide ebia o last word asema wo ka che ni pakro se omra ha na onye kan last word na yento as ebia wo obi so obechia na wa chia na menja oneko
anum say me recommend Asenema Waterfalls mo bia o wiase ba bia se Asenema Waterfalls ba anum say awani beje o feel say wa ben nature ampa nyankopon san no eduma ye
tunu wa say se na so for ne kan
Asenema Waterfalls o ben a o ba anum say a ubon say nyankopon nsan no adwuma wonwa wo hyenso na asena odwale krampo a hu say massage body na ma bibia Asenema Waterfalls me ko me ndimo obibia
odini biom na meja oneko
da ko obenes betumi afa me
junior da ko obenes na me na kasan tour guide for Asenema Waterfalls o won chia bia obechia obi
me chia me senior mate amene ni adwuma Emmanuel Ochere na Prince Augustine na Godo Augustine
o mama ne o papa na o girl de on tia no sa o chia asa ntia na o chia na asa wo yiyi mu bi ntia so say yiyi mu be chia obi a o pe na asem na ya say o girl na o mama ne wa wo for de o mpa o ma asem na chia o ne nko
o mama chia
chia o ne nko eni bro
e chia me mama ama adubia comfort wa hwe me so yi ama na mani a menya bibia me dana se pa se o de me ba wiase
o ma bi o papa de on tia no
me
Oh, okay, bro. All right. Me da say uni yen edin komo wa say ebrefu from no ye betimi e hia bi mehwe say me ni nkofo mienu anasa ba ko bi ebedi nkomo e wa say nkofo mo dware nsu no say bia ye betimi ato aso enti no stay tuned. I'll be right back.